Here's a ball.
And get him out of our way.
Costco? We live with Costco.
I know.
He just got it.
Threw it like that, they caught it.
Okay, come play Sword Hunter.
You ready? He's got the blocks.
Ah.
Get out from underneath the
You missed. That's right. You missed.
Hit the sword.
There we go. You ready? You think that one's better?
Doggy, get the ball from the dog, Bren. Ah. He wants to run for me.
You don't like the noise?
Go get it, Bren. Go get it.
Not the dog.
Come on, doggy. Arr. Go get it, Bren. Go get it.
There you go.
Say, come here. Leave it. Leave it. Arr. Arr. Bren, what the matter? It's funny. It's funny.
Tomatoes are chewing on them and put tooth marks on them.
Uh-oh, doggy's in trouble.
I